Humility and hard work will pave the way to success. This is the sentiment of renowned local artist, songwriter and music composer Simone Vuatelevu. Venina Rakautonga with tonight's success story.
Simone Vuatelevu is well known for his award-winning songs from the 1980s.
In my music career, I started back in 19, when I left school, and all my dream is to be successful. I think that I've achieved a lot of things too in my musical career, winning awards here locally and also internationally. So I feel that I had achieved a lot of things in life.
Vuatelevu, who is from Mavana village in Vanuambalavu, Lau, moved to the capital city in his prime years. He attended Ratu Sukuna Memorial School and that's where he first discovered his singing talent.
Because you know the concept that you have in school, in our form, our form teacher was Nelson Delelomoloma, who passed away. He said, Simone, because they always hear me singing and I'm banging the table. He always growled at me and I said, stop and start singing again. And he said, okay, I see that you're interested in singing, so you sing a song, item for our form. So this is when I sang one of the old song, Claude King's song, Wolverton Mountain. So I sang and two of my classmates play the guitar. So that was our item. And that was the first time too that I stood on the stage and in front of the teachers and the students, and I started singing.
He says the appreciation from his fellow classmates boosted his morale and he began focusing more on his music. Vuatelevu has had many achievements in his career. He received international recognition in 1998.
I think when winning awards here, I mean something that's great. I mean a few awards, composition that I won here through the music, the music awards. But the biggest moment is achieving the international songwriting competition. This is the USA songwriting competition. That was 1998, and also in the same year, I was one of the finalists in the South Pacific International Song Contest in Gold Coast, Australia. So those are the biggest moments to me.
Now a retired civil servant, Vuatelevu continues with his passion, composing songs, and his favorite pastime is gardening.
Now that you should be relaxing and enjoying your past, and up to now, you retired from work, and now just continue in singing, because singing is something that I think it's only when God says that's enough, Simone, because singing you can continue until you are called.
Vuatelevu says he will never stop doing what he loves. He is part of one of the longest running bands in Fiji, the Queen Tikis, and is currently working on an album he hopes to release soon. Venina Rakautonga, FBC News.